Hey peeps, it's LaVeeda from What Can't LaVeeda Do. In today's video, we're going to be making our own disinfecting wipes. With this coronavirus on a rampage, these cleaning products have been very hard to come by. The disinfectant sprays, please check out my previous video on how to make your own disinfectant spray. Disinfecting wipes are very hard to come by. And all other sorts of bleach-based products or alcohol-based products. But what we can easily find is bleach, paper towels, and storage containers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own disinfectant wipes. So enough about that, let's get started. Okay, the things that you're going to need obviously are bleach, paper towels, water, and a container in which you can store your wipes. And I'm using this empty dishwashing packet container. So also you'll need a knife to cut the paper towels, a bowl to put the bleach in, and a cutting mat. So first things first, we're going to size up the paper towels. We want to cut it so that it fits snugly into the storage container. So this is my container here, and I'm just going to put it against the paper towel to see where I can cut. And I can probably actually cut this paper towel roll into thirds to conserve. Let's see, that's a third. That's a third. So if I hold the container up, a third of this roll will be adequate. So let's do that. So I'm using a serrated knife. This is a bread knife. So we're just going to cut right through. Okay, that's a little messy, but we did it. Now cut the rest of this off camera. Okay, so next, we're going to stick the roll of paper towels inside. And that's a pretty good fit. But what I want to do is take out this cardboard because we want to pull the paper towel from the center. So let's use the knife and work that cardboard roll off. Alright, so we got that cardboard center out. So now we just need to find a good piece of tissue to pull that's going to start the unraveling. Okay, that might be good enough. Okay, so now place it back into the container. So now I have 2 cups of water here, and I want to mix 2 tablespoons of bleach into that water. So I'm just going to pour a little into this bowl. So 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of bleach. Just mix up. And pour right inside the container, making sure that you saturate the entire roll of tissue. And that's it. When you're ready to use, just pull from the center, wring out, and do your cleaning. Just clean any and everything. Disinfect everything. And when you finish, Just make sure you put that lid on securely so it doesn't dry out. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Your very own disinfecting wipes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And please share my video. Stay safe during this coronavirus pandemic. And I'll see you in my next video.